So you're currently using Discord, right? And you think that you are a master at it? Let me show you some keybinds. Keybinds are also known as keyboard shortcuts that could take your user experience and navigating Discord to a whole new level. Let me show you how to master it with some really interesting keybinds or keyboard shortcuts. Let me show you them, guys. So once you sign into your Discord account, guys, go ahead and click the user settings on the lower left hand side, and you want to scroll down and find an option that says key bins. Once you click on that, it's going to show you a ton of different key bins or a ton of different keyboard shortcuts that you can use. So there are different sections. You have the navigation ones that you can learn. You want to check this out and start to play around with them. You have things such as for drag and drop. You have the chat ones. You have a ton of different ones that you can basically use. So here are the different keyboard shortcuts, or if you want to call them keybinds, which is how Discord named them. Then go ahead and check out this section here of your Discord and start playing around with these. This is going to take your user experience to a whole new level, make you do things quickly, and make you come off like a pro at using Discord. With that said, guys, thank you guys for watching and looking forward to see you in another video. See you in the next one, guys.